Introducing the HM Machinery TTE Power Slip Roll. This foot pedal controlled electric slip roller is a durable, efficient choice for any HVAC or general fabrication shop. The TTE Power Slip Roll can work with sheets of metal up to 48 inches wide with a maximum capacity of 18 gauge. It has asymmetric rolls and adjustable roller speed, making pre-bending easy and accurate. Features of the TTE Power Slip Roll include crown rolls for the straight rolling pinch. Both the lower roll and bending roll are quickly and easily adjusted with a worm gear handle. The lower and rear roller come standard with fire grooves for rolling wire profiles. The top bending roll swings out thanks to a locking lever handle, which allows easy access for the removal of rolled material from the machine. And an emergency stop on the foot pedal, plus an emergency stop wire around the perimeter of the machine, both ensure operator safety. Now let's take a look at the specifications. As mentioned, the maximum material width is 48 inches and the material capacity is 18 gauge steel. The motor is a 0.75 kilowatt brake motor operated with a forward and backward foot pedal. Roller diameter is 60 millimeters or approximately 2.4 inches for all three rollers. The minimum bending diameter is 90 millimeters or approximately 3.5 inches. Shipping dimensions are 67 inches wide by 22 inches deep by 40 inches high, and shipping weight is approximately 620 pounds. With its durable and efficient design, plus features that enable easy and accurate operation, the HM Machinery TTE Power Slip Roll is the ultimate solution for your sheet metal pre-bending needs.